Many businesses believe their business is vulnerable to a cyber attack, yet most don't make it a business priority. We've worked with many clients who set aside budget and resources but had not prioritized the results. When a business priority came up, the business would move cybersecurity aside to be faster, cheaper, or make things easier. In this episode, we're going to discuss 4 steps you can take to not only make your cybersecurity a priority in your business, but keep it that way. It's all coming up right now. Hello and welcome back to Think Cybersecure. Today we're talking about making cybersecurity a priority in your business. Many businesses believe their business is vulnerable to a cyber attack, yet most don't make it a business priority. We've worked with many clients who set aside budget and resources but had not prioritized the results. As a result, when a business priority came up, the business would move cybersecurity aside to be faster, cheaper, or even make things easier. This inconsistent application often results in a patchwork of some cybersecurity here, none there, and no consistent protection. Not making cybersecurity a business priority is like going all in on Facebook ads before having a concrete offer. You're going to spend a lot, and you may not have some success on traffic or conversions, but you're not going to have many quality leads or even many sales. On the surface, by the numbers, your campaign will look successful. However, it's not going to do much for your business, and in the end, it's going to fail. So what do we mean by making cybersecurity a priority? When we talk about making cybersecurity a priority, we're talking about the 3 things. Number 1, you have resources to spend on cybersecurity. That is money and time. You're ready and willing to put in the work to make some changes. And thirdly, you're ready and willing to maintain and commit to the changes that work creates. Cybersecurity is a journey, not a destination. From our experience, if you don't have all 3, you're not going to be very successful. That is, even if you have an unlimited budget, even if you have all the time in the world, prioritizing and putting in the work and maintenance is going to move the needle. There is a saying that there is no shortcut to hard work in business. If you want to succeed in your business, you have to show up and put in the work. The same goes for cybersecurity. There aren't any shortcuts, and there are no strategies to bypass the lack of priority. You have to show up, put in the work, and resist the temptation to bend the rules or undo that work when things get tough, or you could stand to save $1. Like anything else, if it's not a priority, it's not going to get done. Be honest with yourself on this one. If you can't make it a priority right now, that's okay. Take some time until you can make it a priority. So how can you make your cybersecurity a priority? Well, the first way is to understand your why. Why do you want more cybersecurity in your business? Why are you listening to this episode at all? Your why is going to allow you to tap into your reserves of energy, determination, and courage when you're tempted to stop because your cybersecurity is good enough or you want to make things easier or cheaper. And start treating cybersecurity as a business problem. It's no longer something you can assign or transfer away, and it has real consequences for your business. Figure out the risks to your business, develop a business case, and track it. Start including cybersecurity in your actions and decisions. Whether you're not sure if an email is a scam, or you're deciding who to hire to help you with your accounting tax work. Question your actions and decisions through the lens of cybersecurity. How would this action or decision impact the cybersecurity of your business? And commit time and resources. As much as we'd like to sometimes, cybersecurity doesn't happen in a vacuum, and it requires real time and real resources to be created and implemented. Not just token time and resources, but actual time and resources. One question we get a lot is, how much should you spend? What should your cybersecurity budget be? Well, unfortunately, this is a difficult question because it really depends on what the needs of your business are and what your goals are for the year. What we like to recommend is about 3% of your total business's spend you should spend on cybersecurity, and then adjust it from there. Alright, so in this episode we talked about the 3 things you need to make cybersecurity a priority, and some ways you could use those 3 things to make cybersecurity a priority in your business this year. Now I have one thing I'd like you to do. Leave a comment and let me know if you've committed to cybersecurity in your business. If not, what are you going to do about it in 2022? If you want to learn more about how you can protect your business and get started in protecting your business in 2022, then get our 30-day Online Business Cybersecurity Jumpstart guide. This is a step-by-step guide we put together on how to start protecting your business from cyber threats in the next 4 weeks. You can get it at the link below or go to thinkcybersecure.com/guide. If you enjoyed this episode, then join us by clicking that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss an episode. Also, if you're watching on YouTube, please click the like button as well. It costs you nothing, but it helps us reach a wider audience. Stay tuned until next time. Remember, cybersecurity isn't a destination, it's a journey. A journey that requires commitment and action. Commitment to keep going and action to keep adjusting as cyber threats change and evolve. See you next time.